Salmon are renowned for their unique and complex life cycle, beginning and often concluding in the freshwater rivers where they were born after a long journey through the ocean. Birth: egg stage female salmon lay their eggs in the gravel beds of rivers with moderate currents. They dig a nest called a redd, using their tails to secure the eggs. Males fertilize the eggs, which are then covered with gravel by the female for protection. Hatching stage: alevin after several weeks. The eggs hatch in a small salmon called alevin. These remain in the gravel, nourished by a yolk sac attached to their bodies that supplies essential nutrients. Challenges include finding shelter from predators and being susceptible to sudden changes in water temperature. Smolt stage: young fish. Once the yolk sac is consumed, young salmon begin to swim freely in freshwater, feeding on insects and crustaceans. They spend from several months to 2 years in the river, preparing to migrate to the ocean. Their bodies undergo physiological changes to withstand the salty ocean water. Adaptations include developing salt glands in their gills to expel excess salt. Challenges involve facing predators such as birds and larger fish, and human-made obstacles like dams impeding their migration. Adulthood: ocean life. Adult salmon spend 1 to 5 years in the ocean, maturing and growing. Reverse migration and reproduction. Upon reaching sexual maturity, salmon return to the river where they were born, a phenomenon known as homing. They use their keen sense of smell to find their way, swimming against the current, sometimes leaping over waterfalls to reach spawning grounds. Adaptations include increased muscle strength to swim against the current and the ability to jump great distances to overcome obstacles. Challenges include extreme exhaustion during migration and the risks of predation and fishing, as well as human-made barriers blocking their path home. End of the life cycle: death after spawning. Most salmon die due to exhaustion and starvation. Their bodies provide valuable nutrients to the river ecosystem, supporting new life. Notable adaptations include the ability to adapt to both freshwater and saltwater, body color changes for protection from predators, and a strong sense of smell aiding in migration and homing. Summary: the salmon's journey is fraught with challenges, yet it remains a remarkable example of the resilience and adaptability of living creatures in diverse and demanding environments.